On previous example, we have done the manual control for water supply system. For this example, I'm going to show you how can we convert that example, which is manually control of water supply system, into semi-automatic control. Okay. For this exercise, the water supply system is semi-automatic control. Pressing start push button will turn on pump 101. The pump 101 will only turn off if high level switch sensor detect the tank is full. And when the tank is full, the V101 will turn on to discharge the water in the tank. And the discharge valve V101 is closed, which is off, when the tank is empty. Okay, the tank is empty is detected by low level switch. Pressing the start push button again will reactivate the pump 101. Important assumption that we have to make in this example is the initial condition for the system is the tank is always empty during the initial condition. I'm going to demonstrate you a semi-auto pump operation for example 2. So I'm creating a new project on TIA Portal software. So continue with configuring the PLC for this project. Assuming we are using schematic S7 1215 AC/DC relay. So now we're going to set up our I/O. So we have one start push button, one stop push button, low level switch, high level switch, valve push button. This is for the discharge valve, pump 101, on indicator, off indicator, and the discharge valve V101. Go to main OB1 to create our ladder diagram or ladder program. Assuming the initial condition for single pump system, the tank is on the low level, pressing start push button, it will activate pump 101. In order to stop pump 101, we have to activate the stop push button. Pressing start push button will activate pump 101. Pressing stop push button will stop pump 101. In order to make sure pump 101 is latching, you have to do the latching circuit. Pressing start push button will activate pump 101, and pump 101 will continuously run as long as stop push button is not pressed. And pump 101 will only stop when it hit the liquid level in the tank hit high level. Therefore, we introduce the normally closed high level here. Pump 101 stop because of the liquid reach high level. It will activate the discharge valve. So we can introduce normally closed pump 101. So when pump 101 is stopped because of the liquid is at a high level, okay, when it is stopped, so this one is activated. So when the pump is stopped, discharge valve will turn on, and the discharge valve will turn off when the liquid reach low level. Don't forget to add the indicator for on and off for pump. So we have to put indicator here. So this is for on indicator to indicate the pump is running, and we can introduce off indicator here to indicate pump is not running. Pressing start push button will turn on the pump. As long as the liquid is not on the high level, pump will fill the liquid in the tank, and as long as the pump is running, the on indicator will show on status. And when the tank is full, the pump will stop. When the pump is stopped, this contact become closed, and it will on the discharge valve. Okay, the discharge valve will allow the liquid to flow out from the tank, and because of the pump is off, the off indicator is turning on. Okay, when off indicator is turning on indicator is off. Okay, when on indicator is turning on, off indicator is off. Now it's time to try our PLC program, ladder program, on a simulation. Just start simulation by clicking this icon. On PLC sim, we have to configure the sim table. So now configure the sim table, add new sim table. Similarly to TR portal, so on the sim table we have start push button, stop push button, low level switch, high level switch, valve push button. For semi-auto, we're not using the valve push button because the discharge valve will work automatically upon activation of high level switch. Then we have a pump 101, on indicator, off indicator, and finally we have the discharge valve 101. So place PLC in a run mode. We can also observe the TR portal on the monitor, monitoring the ladder. Based from our initial assumption, the initial condition for the tank is totally empty. When the tank is totally empty, the low level switch is open and the high level switch, which is initially normally closed, become closed. The pump is off, or the pump is not running. Valve is fully closed. On indicator and off indicator is false status. It is basically off status. On indicator is off and off indicator is off, to indicate the status of the pump. By pressing the start push button, it will activate the pump 101, and because of it is a push button, so we have to force the bit and release it, so it will filling the pump. Okay, as the liquid increase the level of the tank, the low level switch, which is normally open, become closed. Okay, and as the liquid level is reaching the high level, which is this one is high level, pump will stop. Okay, when pump stop, on indicator is go to the off status, or on indicator go to false status, and valve will automatically open, fully open, and off indicator, which indicate the pump is off or the pump is not running, will go to high status. Okay, and as the liquid goes to low level and goes slightly lower than the low level, it will stop discharge. Okay, just only one cycle.